I'm getting ready to come off of my break. I'm hoping that you guys enjoyed the last video where we were showcasing just exactly how you too can use AI in your everyday life. We used 20 minutes really briefly to basically construct a small blueprint of a potential product that we're going to be working on from what I thought to be a good idea. If you don't know me yet, I am Sean, your host of this here channel, where we use AI tools to typically expedite the money making process. At least that's what we attempt to do over here. So if you have yet to make any money with us, you may be watching the wrong video. So take a look at our catalog and see what video best suits you. And a while back, I did a video all about something that was important to me, known as mock ads. And the reason why I was talking about mock ads is because I wanted to provide to you, I wanted to provide to myself a way that you can see if a product is going to be successful before using up all of your time in the creation of that product, right? You don't want to put all of your hard work and effort into a product just to find out that you can't sell it. Okay, so right now, if you're watching this video, there is potential that there's a link in the description for you to grab the product that I'm working on, or the product that I was working on in the last video. Okay, it may be there, but if it's not, that's because of this. I haven't yet made videos supporting or validating the notion of that product. And I'm going to show you what I mean by that in this video here. You see, this video is the video after, where I took the time to head to ChatGPT, grab the transcript of the previous video, give it to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT basically said, hey, dude, this is nice, but it's going to take some work. And it's going to take some work. But not only is it going to take some work, it may take work, and that work is unwarranted. So we need to validate it. And the way it devises that I validate it is by creating videos for the concept. And then from that concept, taking in actually putting forth the videos to see if anyone is even interested, and most importantly, if I'm able to sell it, because that's really what the video was about. It was about whether or not my idea is valid, is plausible, and whether or not I can sell the idea. So let's go to my logs real quick and showcase to you exactly what I did so that you can do the same. All right, so I'm going there right now, and the way that you're going about doing this is as I stated previously. I kept it simple because I don't have a crap ton of time. This right here, as you can see on the bottom of the screen, is basically the entire chat log. I asked it, could it grab the transcript for me? And ChatGPT told me no, it doesn't have those capabilities, supposedly. I said, okay. So I went and took it upon myself to somewhat grab the transcript of what I was working on in that video. I also had information earlier of a similar concept that I was working on. I was posting to the Note to Self Reddit, and I actually didn't place it in the Note to Self Reddit yet, but I should, because, you know, I'm located wherever there is a search bar. You can find Note to Self, you can find Sean, so that, you know, you can get the content anywhere, anytime. Anyway, after giving it the entirety of the transcript, that's what you see there with the seconds and minutes, and YouTube has made it a little bit more difficult to grab transcripts. So that's why it looks deplorable there. Also, again, YouTube has made it hard to grab transcripts, and especially on mobile. Okay. So that's why it looks relatively messed up. But of course, as you know, AI can read it. So that's the entirety of how it looks like on mobile. All right. And it's pretty lengthy. The video is 29 minutes or so. And then it created a clean transcript. So it created it or recreated it again. Right? And it goes over the information here within. Okay, and the concept and personal realizations, and it breaks it down into differing sections, different key points. Right? And so later on, it says let it be real. It's a strong idea, but it says that based on even that information that I have in the video, if we take that information into consideration, then in that case, we got to see if that is something that I can sell. Okay? And so the way that it thinks that we can validate that stuff is through views, traction, and monetization. And so the first thing, though, is the views. All right, so it says here, the next move, the practical moves, the easiest moves, the fastest moves that I can do is test the idea publicly. Okay, so it says make 3 videos. Why nobody buys from you even when you're right. You're trying to sell the wrong thing for who you are, and how to pick the product that actually fits you. Okay, and the cool thing is, with creating these videos, they also should technically help me create the modules for the product that I want to sell or create and sell. So it's saying it can turn these into high retention scripts, and it did. This script I may end up using. I don't love it, but I don't hate it neither. And so we go through that, so you'll be seeing that in the upcoming video. But nonetheless, this video right here is about validating before you get into doing all the heavy lifting. All right, so to me it just makes sense. It just makes sense, and I wanted to make sure that's what you guys do. I know that a lot of the videos I put out make it appear as though you should get to work right away when it comes to the products, and maybe you should, but I need to start beginning to create a validation step. And I think that validation step should be making videos, making posts, getting the views to see if I should go all in. I'm hoping that helps you guys out, and I'll see you in the next one.